students, take out your EVS book. Today we will do back exercise of lesson 7. We have read about trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers in this lesson. Lesson 7. We have read about trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. We have read about all the plants, all types of plants. Okay. So today we will do back exercise on the basis of the reading of the lesson. Okay. You have read all the lesson, so you can give answers. Question number 1 is write true or false against each statement. You will read the statements and you will tell this statement is true or false. Okay. Number 1 is all plants live for many years. Here is written all plants live for many years. This is false or true? False, because all plants do not live for many years. Only trees live for many years. Okay, so this is false. Number 2, trees live for few months only. Again, this is false. Trees live for many years. And here is written trees live for few months only. So this is also false. Number 3, the stem of a shrub. The stem of a shrub is called a trunk. This is true or false? False. Whose stem is called trunk? Trees. Trees stem is called trunk. Okay, so this is also false. Herbs are seasonal plants. Yes, this is true. This is true. Herbs are seasonal plants. Herbs live for one season only. You have read it. Okay. Money plant is a creeper. Yes. This is climber, not a creeper. Creeper grow along the ground and climbers need support to climb up. And money plant needs support to climb up. Okay. So this is also false. Is it clear? Yes. Now next question. The names of different types of trees are hidden in the box. This is a box and names of different types of trees are hidden here. Find them and write their names in the space provided. Okay. This is the space. You will find the names of the trees and you will write them here. Okay. You find it. First of all, this is people. People. Okay. P-E-E-P-A-L. People. Yes. Next is this apple. 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 Yes, this is mango. Mango. This is neem. 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 This is gulmohar. Gulmohar. And this is banyan. banyan. These are the names of the trees: peepal, apple, mango, neem, gulmohar, banyan. Okay, now you will write these names on the lines. First of all, you will write here peepal, P-E-E-P-A-L, peepal. Now mango, mango, apple, neem, gulmohar, gulmohar, and last is banyan, banyan. Okay, these are trees: peepal, mango, apple, neem, gulmohar, and banyan. Okay, now question number: give 2 examples of each of the following. Okay, you will give two examples of each of the following. Okay, first of all, you will write 2 names of trees. Trees. Yes, mango. You can write any name. Okay, and orange. You can write orange. These are trees. Next is shrubs. Shrubs. You will write 2 names of shrubs. Okay, so you can see this is rose. You can write here rose plant, and you can write cotton plant. Cotton plant. These 2 are shrubs. Shrubs. Now herbs. This is sunflower. You can write it sunflower. And you can write tomato plant. Tomato plant. These 2 are herbs. Herbs, sunflower and tomato plant. Now you will write 2 names of climbers. Climbers. You can write here money plant. Money plant. And grapevine. Grapevine. Okay, this is grapevine. Okay, now we will read again. Trees: mango and orange. Shrubs: rose plant, cotton plant. Herbs: sunflower, tomato plant. Climbers: money plant, grapevine. Okay, so today we have done back exercise. You will learn back exercise of lesson 7. Okay, properly. You will learn it properly. Okay, plants names, trees names, and true and false, and different types of plants. Okay, thank you.